is?
My elf.
Well, you're what?
Elf.
I don't know where your elf is, but I did think I saw someone in your bed earlier. Look to see if he's there.
Yeah.
1 minute then.
What?
I think someone was in her bed earlier on. So we're just going to have a look. Who's that? He's a bit big, isn't he?
He's massive.
I told you. So you're going to sleep with him, are you?
Yeah.
You're going to have his arm around you? He's back.
Yeah. Isn't my elf for the whole day now?
Huh?
Can
He'll be here for the whole of December now, yeah. Hello, Christian.
Hello.
Right, so what are we doing tonight?
He's coming to bed with me.
No, I mean, what are we doing in a minute when we're ready? Where are we going? Tell the vlog.
I don't know.
Well, we're going to a place called Marshall's Yard for the
Cockatoo Lakes.
Cockatoo Lakes for the Christmas light switch on. Woo!
He's more excited. He's more.
Well, he's not coming.
No!
Can't walk around with him, can we?
Yeah,
I think we might struggle. You
Yeah,
can
okay.
come back and snuggle up with him afterward. So we're on our way to Marshall's Yard, aren't we? Hello. I've got such great company. Are you excited?
I know it.
Very good. We're just sat in tea time traffic, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's 10 to 5. So hopefully we'll be there for about
Ah,
5:30ish. And then try and find somewhere to park, which will be fun. Tracy. Ooh, what did you get?
I got a tattoo
Oh, hang on.
with glitter. I got it rainbow.
Angel, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Gracie!
Louder from the crowd, come on people. Is going to be on Links FM, so I'm going to set up my recorder, my live recorder. Ready? Okay, here we go. 10.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So we're back in the car. Well, I am. The kids have just gone to the toilet. It was good, but it was so busy and queuing for everything, like the cash machine, you know, there was a massive queue for that. If you wanted food or anything, it was a massive queue. Gracie got a tattoo which was free, but obviously we queued for about 40 minutes or something, which you expect when something's free, I suppose. But anyway, it was good, it was worth it. The fireworks are still going, so good little firework display, but we escaped so that we didn't get caught in the stampede back to the car because obviously it's about a half-hour drive home, so we want to get back on the road. But it was good, it was a nice little way to start off the Christmas season. So yeah, Christmassy spirit now. Oh, here they are. Oh, and because of the food situation, ooh.
He said,
I was just talking to the vlog. What did you think?
good.
Dropping bombs.
Yeah, I could smell them.
Pick me up.
Yeah, because of, I'm just vlogging. Because of the
Kids.
because of the queuing situation, and also saves a bit of money, we went into the pound shop and bought the kids treats. Josh got a Toblerone, well, a Twin Peak, and you got a cup of sweets, didn't you, which you can have now in the warmth on the way home. So we are off home now. The fireworks are still going,
I got bamba.
so we shouldn't be in too much traffic on the way home.
Sweets.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Say bye.
Bye.
And here is the queue of everybody trying to get out.
Just push in.
And we're sat in traffic.
Just push in. Right. Stop out front.